Unboxing video natin tong Motag Never Lost Things. Mag-work daw to sa Android. So dito sa label may 4 pieces siya sa loob. So mukhang maganda naman siguro. So if you notice, made in China, and portable finder words with Android Find device, key finder, item locator for luggage. Oh, pwede pala. Suitcase, bags, wallet, and more. Up to 400 feet range with replaceable battery. Find Hub device network requires location services and Bluetooth to be turned on. So, kailangan ng Bluetooth. Requires cellphone service or internet connections. Mag-work din daw to sa Android 9 Plus and to certain countries for each eligible user. So, gagamit tayo ng Google Find Hub device para makita natin yung belongings natin na mas mabilis at safe. So, let's try this item. Unboxing. Unbox na natin to. So, sabi niya, 4 ang laman ha. So, ayan, 4 nga. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uy! Mukhang dugo. Tapos may mga kasamang lace. 4 pieces din. Okay. Yun lang yung laman nun. Mukhang tanggalin natin ha. Ito may case na siya kasama. Pero kung tatanggalin mo yung case niya, ito yung itsura niya. So, ito yung case. Ito yung itsura ng Motag. Ayan o. Dito lang siya. So, ito yung battery.